How to delete Instagram account permanently. So if you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Go with the upper right, which has that three bat icon, and scroll down. Or you can go with the account center option. You may have the account center here on the upper side, or you may have that option on the bottom of your screen. So tap on account center. And now scroll down, and under your account settings, you need to go with the personal details. Tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Go with your Instagram account and choose delete account, and then tap on continue. And now you just need to simply choose a reason why you would like to delete your account. So I'll be choosing a reason, and then tap on continue. And this is the last interface where you just need to simply enter your password. And once you enter your password, you just need to simply go with continue, and your account will be deleted. But if you don't remember your password, then you can simply go with forgot password, reset your password, and once you reset it, you can simply go with the steps again and then go with continue, and your account will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. It was that quick and easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.